Hello dear students. In last module of percentage and its applications we have discussed meaning of percent and now we will discuss application of percentages. Just for recapitulation, let us discuss how to convert fractions to percent. We know that anything out of 100 is called percent. So 3 by 10 will be multiplied by 10 and we are getting 30 upon 100. So 30%. And the second method, multiply by 100 to get percent. 2 by 5 into 100 means after solution 40%. 3 by 7 into 100, 300 by 7%. In this way, we can find the percent by these two methods. And now, let us discuss discount. You know what do you mean by discount? Discount means reduced price. Suppose you want to purchase headphones. So there is some market price of headphones which is called printed rate. And let price of headphone that is written on that is 1200 and the shopkeeper is offering us 40% discount, and to find that discount we will find 40% of 1200 which is equal to 480 rupees. Now the discount amount is 480 but we are not supposed to pay 1200 rupees, so we will subtract discount from the market price and amount to pay is 1200 minus 480 means we are to pay only 720 rupees for the headphones. And this sounds great. Now let us discuss decimal percent to fractions. 25.4% means 25.4 out of 100. To convert or to remove decimal, we are to multiply by 10. So 254 upon 1000 is the fraction. Now let us discuss percentages of amounts. 50% means out of 100. 50 shades out of 100 which is equal to 1 by 2 means half. So 50% of 10 is half of 10, 5. 50% of 60 means 30. 50% of 70 means half of 70, 35. And now let us compare marks in two different subjects. Maths, marks are 30 out of 50, but in science 45 out of 100. So to compare the marks, first of all let us convert marks in maths in percent. So 30 upon 50 in percentage form it is equal to 60%. And marks in science are 45% because 45 out of 100. Obviously 60% is more than 45%, so marks in maths are more. And now let us discuss some more formulas which will be used to find discount. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Rate of discount means discount percent. You can find out it by dividing discount by MP into 100, and if discount percent is given then SP is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. In the same way, if you want to find out market price, that will be equal to 100 into SP upon 100 minus discount percent. And now let us discuss some problems by using these formula. A shopkeeper marks shirts at 30% above the cost price and then allows a discount of 15%. What is his profit or loss percent? So to find the solution of this problem, let cost price of the shirt is X rupees, then marked price is 30% above the cost price, so X plus 30% of X means 1.30x. Discount is 15% of marked price, so 15% of rupees 130 upon 100x and you will get 0.195x. Now selling price is marked price minus discount. So by subtracting 1.105x, now we are to find profit 1.105x minus x which is 0.105x. So profit percent is profit upon CP into 100. So after solution we will get 10.5%. And now we will discuss some different type of tax like sale tax, VAT, GST, income tax in next module.